Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-guilt vegan chocolate ice cream. This one is creamy, it's delicious, and this one you can get a second serving. So the way we're going to make this recipe is it's 5 simple ingredients, and this one takes less than 5 minutes to make. So what I did to start off with is I have soaked 1 cup of cashews, and I'm going to go ahead and put these into my Vitamix. I'm going to pour out the water. So these are soaked, so they're going to make the recipe extra creamy. And I'm going to put in 5 dates. This is going to give the sugary flavor. Now you can use any kind of a sugar replacement of your choice. Coconut nectar, maple nectar, but I'm sticking to dates because I like that flavor. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut nibs. Some people use cocoa powder, but I like the nibs because it gives it an extra crunchy flavor. Now, last but not least, we're going to have the bananas. I'm going to use 4 frozen whole bananas. Okay, and then I'm going to use some fresh coconut milk. Now, when you use the coconut milk, you don't want to put too much into the Vitamix because you want a thick consistency to your smoothie. So I'm just going to use a couple tablespoons. So I would say about a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And you can always put less, but you don't want to and go back and put more. But if you put too much at the beginning, then you can't take it out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend. So now it's done blending, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into my freezer container for putting it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so it's got that perfect consistency, and I'm sure this is going to turn out great. Let's give it a try. Perfect. And here you go. 2 hours after it's been in the freezer, you have a perfect creamy chocolate ice cream. It is wonderful on a hot day, and it's guilt-free.